Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to manage and edit a Spotify playlist on a PC. First, open Spotify and go to your library section. Here you can see your playlists. Select the playlist you want to manage. Once the playlist is open, you can see the songs that have been added to it. You can use the available playlist options to manage your playlist. Click on the three dots menu to view the available options. The options shown here may be different depending on your Spotify account and the current Spotify interface. You can also use the available options for individual songs to manage your playlist content. If you want to change your playlist in the future, you can use the options provided by Spotify to organize your music. You can also add new songs to your playlist by using the search option. Search for a song, open its three dots menu, and look for the option to add it to a playlist. This allows you to keep your playlist updated with new songs. Remember, Spotify's interface can change over time, so some options may appear in different locations or have different names. For this tutorial, we are only showing the available options with the mouse, so there is no need to play any music. That's the basic way to manage and edit a Spotify playlist on a PC. If this guide was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.